Girl, I've been here long enough to know na ang dami ngayong VAs ang nai-stuck doing admin work with very minimal pay. Pero in reality, they do have the potential to earn more. One of the skill set na pwede mong pag-aralan would be SEO. And right now, di na lang siya SEO. Meron na tayong tinatawag na AEO and GAO. And these might sound techy. Pero sa totoo lang, kung meron kang common sense, kung meron kang tiyaga, napakaraming skill set na kagaya ng SEO, GEO at AEO na nagiging beginner-friendly din, and businesses are paying for it right now. So marami na sa inyo ang alam na ang SEO ay ang search engine optimization, which is para sa mga browser na kagaya ng Google, Bing, gusto ng mga tao nandun sila sa very first page, and that has been in the market for quite some time. But recently, meron na tayong tinatawag na AEO, which is yung Answer Engine Optimization. Ang goal nito, or magpunta ka sa top priority kapag tinanong si Siri, si Alexa, even AI bots. At speaking of AI, meron na rin tayong tinatawag na GEO, which is the Generative Engine Optimization. Ito naman yung for AI search like ChatGPT, Perplexity. Lahat ng skills na yan, business are literally looking for someone who can do it for them. And guess what? Kahit total beginner ka, pwede mong matutunan. Now, kung gusto mo mag-level up from basic VA tasks to specialist level, you can actually join our class ng SEO, AEO, and GEO with internship that's happening on October 4th and the 5th from 6 till 10 p.m. Sulit na sulit to because meron ka ng hands-on, meron ka pang feedback, meron ka pang portfolio, meron ka pang mock interview, all for the price of 999 lang. So, if you are interested, punta lang kayo sa Blue. Pagkatapos, maghanap kayo kahit anong post doon, mag-comment lang kayo ng SEO and we will send you the link para mag-join sa next class. Let me know if you want me to talk more about SEO, AEO, and GEO and how it's going to help businesses, or kung gusto nyo lang talaga malaman if this is fit for you, ilagay nyo lang dyan sa comment section yung mga questions ninyo, and also comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!